In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PDF files for using WPS Office 2026 step by step. We're going to walk through opening a PDF in WPS Office, turning on editing, making changes to text and images, adding annotations and new elements, and then saving your work. I'll point out helpful details along the way so everything feels smooth and predictable. Start by launching WPS Office. From the home screen, choose Open, then browse to the PDF you want to work on and select it. The file will load in the PDF view. If you're worried about preserving your original, don't stress. We'll cover saving a separate copy at the end. With the PDF open, enable editing by clicking Edit PDF in the top menu. This switches the toolbar and unlocks tools designed for modifying content directly on the page. Keep in mind that certain advanced options may require a premium plan. If you see a feature grayed out or with a crown icon, that's usually why. To edit text, click directly on the text you want to change. A text box will appear around it, and you can type to replace or add words. Use the formatting controls to adjust font style, font size, and text color so your changes match the existing design. Aim for consistent fonts and spacing to keep the document professional. If your PDF is actually a scanned image of text, you may be prompted to run text recognition before you can edit. That capability may depend on your plan. To edit images, click an image to select it. Drag the handles to resize, or drag the image itself to move it to a new spot. If you need to swap it out, choose Replace. If it's unnecessary, simply delete it. For clean results, resize from the corners to maintain proportions and keep visuals aligned so they don't crowd nearby text. For feedback and markups, switch to the comment or annotate tools. You can highlight important lines, add comments for context, draw simple shapes to call attention to areas, and insert notes. This is perfect for reviews because it adds clarity without permanently changing the underlying content. You can usually adjust highlight colors and line thickness to keep things organized. When you need to add new content, go to the Insert tab. Here you can place images, drop in text boxes for captions or callouts, and insert links. Links can point to web pages or to places within the document, which is useful for quick navigation. When you're done, save your changes by going to File and choosing Save, or press Ctrl+S. If you want to keep the original untouched, use Save As, give the file a new name, and choose a location you'll remember. That's it, your PDF is now edited and ready to share or archive.